Hey there, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, the place where we turn your home dreams into reality. Today, we're diving deep into the world of log cabins, and let's learn from design basics to stunning inspiration, helping you create your dream log home. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Log cabin house. These aren't just for mountain getaways anymore. Log cabins are making a serious comeback, blending rustic charm with modern living. So, what exactly is a log cabin? Well, at its core, it's a house built primarily from logs, horizontally stacked and interlocked at the corners. Historically, this construction method was born out of necessity, using readily available materials like trees. But over time, the log cabin has evolved from a simple shelter to a symbol of warmth, comfort, and connection with nature. It's more than just a house, it's a feeling. Now you might be wondering, why choose a log cabin in today's world of sleek apartments and modern farmhouses? There are tons of reasons, here these some of them. First, natural beauty. The exposed wood brings an unparalleled warmth and natural beauty to any space. Second, durability and sustainability. Log homes, when properly maintained, can last for generations. Plus, using sustainably sourced timber is an environmentally conscious choice. Third, energy efficiency. The thermal mass of logs helps regulate indoor temperatures, keeping you cool in summer and warm in winter, saving you money on energy bills. Fourth, cozy atmosphere. Let's be honest, there's just something inherently cozy and inviting about a log cabin. It's a place to relax, unwind, and escape the hustle and bustle. Okay, now for the fun part. Designing your own log cabin. Here are some key things to consider for designing your log cabin house. First, layout and floor plan. Think about how you want to use the space. Open concept living areas are popular in modern log cabins, creating a sense of spaciousness. Second, log style and size. Different log styles, like round, D-shaped, or square, create different aesthetics. The size of the logs also impacts the overall look and feel. Third, windows and natural light. Maximize natural light with large windows and strategically placed skylights. This will brighten the interior and showcase the beauty of the wood. Fourth, interior finishes. Choose finishes that complement the natural wood, like stone fireplaces, hardwood floors, and warm-toned textiles. Fifth, exterior features. Consider adding a porch, deck, or balcony to extend your living space outdoors and enjoy the surrounding nature. What about style? Well, log cabins are incredibly versatile. Here are a few popular styles. 1. Rustic or traditional. This style emphasizes natural materials, handcrafted details, and a cozy, lived-in feel. Think exposed beams, stone fireplaces, and vintage furniture. 2. Modern or contemporary. This style incorporates clean lines, large windows, and minimalist decor. It blends the rustic charm of the logs with a sleek and sophisticated aesthetic. 3. Scandinavian or Nordic. This style focuses on simplicity, functionality, and natural light. It uses light-colored wood, neutral tones, and cozy textiles to create a serene and inviting atmosphere. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, the collection of the top 10 amazing log cabin design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. The classic lodge. Grand and imposing, this style features massive logs, soaring ceilings, a prominent stone fireplace, and expansive views. Think rustic elegance and timeless appeal. 2. The modern retreat. Sleek and contemporary, this style blends clean lines, large windows, and minimalist decor with the natural beauty of logs. 3. The cozy cottage. Small and charming, this style is perfect for a romantic getaway or a peaceful solo retreat. Think intimate spaces, warm interiors, and a focus on comfort. 4. The family haven. Spacious and functional, this style prioritizes open living areas, multiple bedrooms, and spaces for gathering and entertaining. 5. The mountain escape. Embracing the rugged mountain environment, this style features cabins built on slopes with stunning views and natural materials. 6. The lakeside retreat. Focusing on the connection to the water, this style features large windows, decks overlooking the lake, and a relaxed, vacation vibe. 7. The forest hideaway. Emphasizing privacy and seclusion, this style features cabins tucked deep within the woods, blending seamlessly with the forest. 8. The Scandinavian dream. Characterized by simplicity, functionality, and natural light, this style uses light wood, neutral tones, and clean lines. 9. The industrial chic cabin. Blending rustic logs with industrial elements like metal accents and concrete, this style creates a unique and edgy look. 10. The luxury log home. Offering high-end finishes, state-of-the-art amenities, and expansive layouts, this style provides the ultimate in log cabin luxury. So, there you have it. A complete guide to log cabin design. Whether you're dreaming of a rustic retreat or a modern marvel, I hope this video has inspired you to create your own perfect log home. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Home Inspiration Studios for more amazing home design ideas, and leave a comment below telling me which log cabin style is your favorite. Thanks for watching. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best log cabin house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.